Happy Easter, everyone. It is 2021, and Karmen has got her Easter bunny basket. Now remember, kids, enjoy the Easter as much as the adults. But remember, Jesus is the true reason for the season. Yeah.
Get this. Yeah, you got rain suckers. Nothing here.
Baby.
What do you want this?
Baby, yeah?
You got a baby doll, yeah. You really like that, don't you?
No. Baby too. Thank you. Oh. Easy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Let's move on to this special one.
And what?
What else is in here? Yeah, you got your own little peeps. Put it right there for you. Oops, I got it. What else is in here?
What is it, Ricky?
Gummies. Oh, you like gummies, don't you? There's something else in there. What is that?
I got.
Another sucker? Oh, wow. Want to hold that one? Okay.
I like my toys.
Yeah.
Karmen.
You got another box to open.
Are you reading? Good job.
You want to open that one? Alright. Let me get it out of the box for you.
Why don't you put it down in front of her?
Yeah. Yeah.
That in your hair?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yummy.
Wow.
Karmen.
What is this? You got another one?
Perfect.
Now you have two of them.
Karmen.
Need help?
This is from your daddy and the Easter bunny.
Look. Look.
Shishi.
Is it cute? Yes, it is.
Shishi.
Look what this is. Look. Help open it here.
Couple things. Easy.
Look, baby.
Look.
Oh.
Sweet.
Ooh, more chocolate.
Sweet. My birthday.
Oh.
I want tea. Honey.
Oh, man.
Oh,
That looks good.
it's right there.
Yeah.
Look here, toy.
Yeah, you like to read.
I get mommy.
Yeah, your daddy used to like to read books, too.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, yummy.
You got all kinds of yummies.
Right?
Yeah. More.
Oh.
You gonna get this out? This looks soft and furry.
Papa.
Oh.
Oh.
Isn't that cute?
That's you.
Ooh, what is that?
What's Karmen, baby?
That's something your daddy is going to get in trouble for.
Oh, stickers. Yeah. There's all kinds of things in here. Look. Thank you. You're so nice.
You can too.
Yeah, you said thank you.
All kinds of yummies.
Oh, yes.
Thank you, mommy. Yummy, baby. Yucky.
All right. You want to say Happy Easter? Say Happy Easter. Get a friend, say Happy Easter.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, that's good.
What's it?
Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah. I'll wait till I message your daddy later.
Stickers for Karmen. Yay.
You got all kinds of stuff for the Easter Bunny?
It's kitty.
Oh, yeah. You like that, don't you? Guess what? Yeah. Ooh, what's in there? Oh.
Uh-oh.
Jelly beans everywhere. That's okay. Just put them back in your egg. Or in your mouth, okay. You're smooth, look. Look for your eggs.
Mom.
Easter grass, yeah. Here. Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
You don't want to look for more eggs? Look. I see all kinds of eggs.
Look here. Look over here, Carmen.
You look for the eggs.
Oh, look. They're everywhere. Look. They're everywhere down there. Ooh. Look.
Put them in your basket.
Look over here.
Put them in your basket. Look, there's more over there.
Look. Over here.
Good job. Look over there. Look on the chair.
Right here.
Your chair. There you go.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. Put it in here.
There's eggs in there like they do in the,
Yep, put them in
the
here.
videos.
Ready? Is there more? Is there more eggs? There is. Oh, wow. Put it in there.
Good job. Oh, yes. Good job.
Here's more. Look.
Oh, look up there.
Look. Look. Looky right here. Is there more eggs? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Lots of eggs.